Look at here is the difference between a transcription made by Turboscribe, which is tidied up, so a lot of things have been corrected, and the transcription made by rev.com, where I've asked it to be verbatim. Let's look first at Turboscribe. Here, so many words have been corrected that it's vital for a student to listen to their recording and follow the transcript and notice where things have already been corrected. So let's play that through now.
Okay, there are two women and they are talking about a new sweater that one bought. One of the women said to the other that she likes a lot her new sweater, and the other said that she bought in the sales. The woman asked her how much it cost, and the other said that if you want, you guess the price. And the other thinks that the price maybe was 80 or 100. But the other are very happy and say that no, because they have 25%, so the final price was 67, and she thought that this sweater was a bargain.
So numerous things. To women's has been corrected to women. Say has been corrected to said. You can guess the price. The can was inserted there because it's much more likely to be you can guess the price than you guess the price. And there was another example of say being corrected to said. So let's now have a look at what happens with a verbatim transcript. Here, it's almost exactly what the student said. I've marked three things. I've marked two bits of mispronunciation which have been interpreted erroneously, not what the student wanted to say, boat instead of bought, and sings instead of thinks. The one I've marked in green is one where I think even rev.com has auto-corrected. See what you think.
Okay, there are two women and they are talking about a new sweater that one bought. One of the women said to the other that she likes a lot her new sweater, and the other said that she bought in the sales. The woman asked her how much it cost, and the other said that if you want, you guess the price. And the other thinks that the price maybe was 80 or 100. But the other are very happy and say that no, because they have 25%, so the final price was 67, and she thought that this sweater was a bargain.
The other thing that a student should do after listening to themselves and following the transcript is to correct any mistakes in transcription. So boat, I think the student would realise that she wanted to say bought, but it was understood as boat. So she could correct that herself. The same with things being written down instead of thinks. So the student can change that. It alerts the student to the fact that their pronunciation was probably not quite right. Later on, when these transcripts are put into ChatGPT and corrected versions are made, you'll find that those two red words have been automatically corrected. It's the same principle that's happening, that happened with Turboscribe, that the most probable thing is the new sweater that one bought, not that one boat. The other thinks is much more likely than the other things, that the price maybe was 80 or 100.